So good day, you can see this product is the 55-inch and with the double size screen, LCD screen, and it is the outdoor waterproof and with the 2000 brightness. And you can see with the tangible glass here, and you can choose the touch and the not touch. Also, we can go to the setting. This one with the Android system. So we can go to the settings. So you can connect the Wi-Fi and go to the device. So you can see the system here and return it and choose the different language. So you can see a lot of different language. So go back to homepage here. And with our CMS software, now you can see play the video. Also, you can play the picture or make the split screen with the picture video is also okay. And we can go back to this one. It's the double size screen. You can see here with the hardcover and with the waterproof. You can see here with the double screen. You can play the different programs or the same program. It's also okay. Also, we open this with the two motherboard here, and this one with the air condition. So you can see the temperature. Also close the door. Okay, you can see this is the key here. And open this door. Open it. It's the key also in here. And we can close this door here. And also we have different size. And if you have any questions, you can contact us directly.